How to create reservation page manually. In this video, I will show you how to manually create a table reservation page. Normally, FoodOrd Setup Wizard creates this page automatically. However, if you want to create it manually for any reason, you can easily learn what to do by watching this video. To do this, first log in to your WordPress admin panel, then navigate to the WordPress dashboard menu on the left side and click on the FoodOrd settings page. On the page that opens, find and click the shortcodes page on the right side, then find the FoodOrd reservation shortcode and copy it. Let us go to the next step, which is to create a new page. To create a new page, open the Pages menu in the left sidebar and click Add New. Give the new page any name of your choice. Let us go to the next step, which is to insert the shortcode block. To insert the shortcode block, hit the plus icon to add a new block, then type shortcode into the search field to filter the options. Pick the shortcode block from the results. Paste the FoodOrd reservation shortcode you copied earlier into the field. The shortcode is now placed inside your page. Let us go to the next step, which is to publish the page. To publish the page, click the Publish button in the top right corner. Your reservation page is now live on the site. Let us go to the next step, which is to preview the reservation page. To preview the reservation page, click the View Page button that appears after publishing. The reservation page will open on the front end with a notice saying no reservation tables have been added yet. This empty state is completely normal at this stage, and once you start adding tables in the FoodOrd reservation settings, this page will fill up with the booking form automatically. And with that, the page is published and the empty reservation form is showing up just fine. Your reservation page is officially ready for customers to start booking tables. See you in the next one.